First, thank you so much. It's such an honor to be recognized. To your point, I knew I wanted to be an educator very early on and to follow in my dad's footsteps. He was a teacher, assistant principal, and principal. And then it was my fourth grade teacher that really saw that I liked helping with long division, my friends who were struggling, and encouraged me and told me I was good at being a helper and a tutor. And then had excellent teachers throughout my time in high school that really drove home my love for math. I became a teacher and then realized that math wasn't that important. Sorry. It's really about getting to know the students in your classroom, because if they don't appreciate you, if they don't know you as a human, they don't come to your class ready to learn. So I learned that pretty early on in my time at the other school that I taught, at North Chicago Community High School. Came here, and Valley View has been an amazing place for me to steal Dr. Polson, learning and grow. I was a math teacher, was able to be a leader of PLCs, just opportunity after opportunity to continue to learn from a variety of people, and then to grow into an interim core content administrator, to an assistant principal. And now this is my ninth year as an assistant principal, fourth year in this particular role. I feel as if I'm a small piece of a big, big puzzle. Our teachers already got a round of applause, but if you can give them another round of applause. They are with our students every day, everyone that's in the classroom, our wonderful support staff, deans, counselors, social workers, everyone that helps a child outside of the classroom. As I mentioned, for the past 9 years, I've helped oversee the school counselors. And they really helped change my black and white math-minded brain into seeing the gray, and really understanding the individual child and wanting to fight for each kid and what they particularly need to be successful with their post-secondary planning. My administrative team, they're over there. Wonderful human beings that support me every day, brainstorming, bouncing ideas off of each other. We're all different, but bring things to the table. Dr. Paskevich has been such a mentor to me in the past 10 years that he's been here. But yeah, I'm honored. And I'm so thankful to be working at Bolingbrook High School. I love our students. Our students impress me. You all are, when I'm speaking to you guys, you're very eloquent in what you say. You think before you talk. You have a diverse perspective of the world going to Bolingbrook High School, because you can interact with people who are different from you to learn and then grow your perspective to justify what you're talking about. And so it's a true honor to serve you, and again, to be a piece of the puzzle that helps you move on to your future goals. So thank you. Oh! I forgot. Thank you so much for everyone who's here that helped put this together. I know our maintenance was out helping with traffic. Our secretaries play a huge role in my everyday success in terms of communicating to parents, transcribing transcripts, answering phones, master schedule. Everything that I do is really with the work of so many other people. So again, thank you so much.